What is zero-party data, and why should business owners care? Dive into the heart of digital marketing, where data reigns supreme, and discover the power of zero-party data, a game-changer for businesses aiming to personalize customer experiences and sharpen their competitive edge. Zero-party data is the goldmine of information that customers willingly hand over. It's not just basic demographics, it's their preferences, interests, and future intentions. This data is willingly shared through interactive experiences like quizzes or surveys, where customers are incentivized to provide personal details in exchange for customized content or product recommendations. In an era where privacy is paramount, zero-party data emerges as the hero. Customers give it freely, aligning with privacy regulations and fostering trust. It's a treasure trove of insights for business owners and marketers, enabling them to craft highly personalized experiences that resonate with their audience. It's about building relationships, not just transactions. Imagine a shoe company that knows your size, style, and material preferences. That's zero-party data at work. Businesses can collect such details by setting up a preference center, leading to marketing that hits the mark every time. It's about genuinely engaging customers because it's based on information they've chosen to share. But while first-party data is collected through interactions with a company's platforms, zero-party data is a step further. It's information customers actively communicate, providing a clearer picture of their desires. Zero-party data equips business owners and marketers to tailor campaigns with precision, fostering authentic connections. It's about delivering content that matters to the consumer, enhancing targeting and segmentation for impactful marketing. Businesses can gather zero-party data through engaging methods like quizzes or incentives, encouraging customers to share their data willingly. It's a proactive approach to understanding the customer. Zero-party data is the key to unlocking a personalized future in marketing. It's about direct engagement, respecting privacy, and delivering authentic experiences. As the digital landscape evolves, zero-party data isn't just an option, it's a necessity for businesses looking to thrive. Ready to harness the power of zero-party data? Let's connect and propel your business forward. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.